Hey, I'm Steve, and I want to show you a really nice gift package for someone who uses an iPhone. A set of 4 AirTags, AirTag keyring cover cases, and also an AirTag slim wallet holder. I'm giving these away as a gift, so I wanted to unbox them and let you see exactly what comes in each one. This is a 4-pack set of keyring cover cases for your AirTags. Very simple. You get 4, they all go in the keyring, and your AirTags actually go inside of these cover cases. Up next are the AirTag wallet holders. These are slim card inserts by the City More store on Amazon. Your AirTags will pop right into the center of these holders, and they're so slim they'll just slide in any compartment of your wallet. And as you can see, it's very secure. It ain't coming out. And now just put it in your wallet, preferably that secret compartment that your wallet has. And last, the star of this show, the Apple AirTag 4-pack. And of course, nice packaging that you expect from Apple. All the instructions, everything you need are inside. There's the 4 Apple AirTags, and you got to be careful there. They've got a little piece of plastic that helps to activate it, so you don't want to pull that yet. This makes a fantastic combo gift of AirTags and the holders to anyone at any time of the year. We're giving away as a gift, so if you're looking at these products, I hope you found my video helpful.